In this video, we will explain how the teachers will grade their assignments. First of all, open your browser and type over here classroom.google.com, and it will open the dashboard of your online classroom as teacher. This is the first page, and from this you can click any of the class you are teaching. For example, we click on the O1B computer and it will take us into the stream page. Now click on the worksheet, which is the second link, and this page will show you all the lessons for that class, including all the subjects. On top of the list there will be the latest lessons, and if you scroll it down to the bottom, it will come to the first lesson of the first week. Now I go to the computers subject lesson, and in this heading there are two links. The below link is the video lesson. Any teacher can click on this video lesson and can review his own video. And coming back to the first link, it will show you your worksheet summary. It says computers worksheet, it is in the Word format, and this detail shows 4 turned in means that 4 students have submitted completed worksheets back, while 16 students are still working on it, and this 2 shows that graded means that I have already checked 2 assignments. Click on the turn in, a new page will open, and on this page these 4 links gives you 4 worksheets which are waiting to be marked. You can click any of these worksheets. I click on this one, and this page opens up the solved worksheet of the student. On the right side you can also see grade, and there is a box where can you input the cumulative marks, and below that there is private comments. We will use these in a while. First of all, come to the middle of this stripe where it is written open with, click on it and click on Google Documents. When it is all loaded, you can see on top of the page some word features cannot be displayed in the Google Documents and will be dropped if you make any changes. It is not so important, so ignore it. And now this is the window where you will mark your assignment. I come to this question number 1, and after reading it, I click before the point where I have given 2 marks. And now change your font color from this top menu into red. Continue this editing, and I can also increase the font for which I will be writing. And now I assign 2 marks to the student. Then you can copy and select it, and then click on Ctrl and C. It will be copied, and then you will read the next question. And after reading that, do the Ctrl V, and these marks will be pasted over here. If you want to change this mark to 1, select it and then press 1, it will be changed. Or you can do the backspace and give the marks that you wish to give to the student. In the same way, assign the marks to all the questions just by clicking and then doing Ctrl V. The marks will go on with all the questions, and this is the last question. Here you Ctrl V it, and now scroll up. You have given all the marks, and on top of this menu you read this all changes saved in the drive. It means that it is automatically saving the marks, so you are not required to save it. When you are done with it, close this window. Your work will automatically be saved, and then you are back to the previous page, and over here in the grade you enter 20. This is the cumulative marks, and then coming to the private comments, you can write your own comments and then you post it. Now in the last step, you should see on the right side not returned. In front of it there is a button. When you click this marked worksheet will be returned back to the student along with the grade and the private comments. Click on the return, press again, and when this button goes faded, it means that your result submission back to the student has been completed. When this is returned, close window, and now you can see the graded has increased from 2 to 3 and the turned in has decreased from 4 to 3. Also, if you scroll down this, you will see graded, and there is a list of 3 students in which the below one is the one we marked right now. And in this way you have to repeat this process again for each assignment of every student. When you are working with the worksheets of Urdu and Maths, there is some difference we will explain. First, click on your assignment. We are into Urdu. it shows 4 are turned in, then click on this turned in. These are the 4 worksheets, we click on any of them. When you receive the reply of a student in this form that he has taken an image of his work in Urdu or in solving a mathematical question, there is no need to open it in some other program and mark the component questions. You can directly place your marks over here after reading all the answers. For example, if you want to give him a total of 18 marks, just type over here 18 and in the private comments give your comment and then return it. There is no option to do the images with your component marking, so it will only be workable with your total marks only. This is the difference between the other worksheets and Urdu and mathematics, so please keep noted this difference. Thank you.